This is Lincoln Total Parts Pro. Today with 2019 Suzuki Swift stock number 7367. It's wrapped with the 4th 2017 to the 3rd 2025. It's a KTMC 1-litre 3-cylinder petrol turbo engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a KTMC 1-litre 3-cylinder petrol engine. Left-hand headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch 50mm tyre. Left-hand door mirror. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch 50mm tyre. Left-hand tail light. Rear boot lid, no dents. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch 50mm tyre. Right rear door, 2 dents. Right front door, no dents. Right-hand door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Automatic air shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,